Hello kids, welcome to another new video. Today we are going to learn counting number from 1 to 20 with your favorite YouTube Kids channel. Let's introduce with some colors name. Pink color, yellow color, green color, black color, orange color, red color, blue color, violet color, light green color, and brown color. Let's start. Blue color. 1. Black color. 2. Yellow color. 3. Brown color. 4. Red color. 5. Orange color. 6. Violet color. 7. Green color. 8. Pink color. 9. Light green color. 10. Blue color. 11. Black color. 12. Yellow color. 13. Brown color. 14. Red color. 15. Orange color. 16. Violet color. 17. Green color. 18. Pink color. 19. Light green color. 20. Let's again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Keep watching for next video. Thank you.